When a person is on a weight loss spree, he or she tries everything, from diet to workouts. Spending hours in the gym, cutting down on calories and so much more, but there's one thing which not many people try, and that is honey and cinnamon water. Surprisingly, this simple mixture has amazing weight loss benefits. It helps you lose weight the easier way. And the best part is that it helps you melt belly fat first. Belly fat, which is linked to an increased risk of heart diseases, diabetes and some forms of cancer, is not easy to get rid of. But with honey and cinnamon you need not worry about the belly fat. As per a study published in Journal of the American College of Nutrition, honey curbs appetite. Consuming honey right before bedtime can help you burn more calories during the early hours of sleep. This ingredient is enriched with essential vitamins, minerals and healthy fats as well. Essential hormones in honey suppress appetite and aid weight loss. Cinnamon, on the other hand, helps you lose visceral fat and supports weight loss. Antimicrobial, antiparasitic properties of cinnamon make it one of the healthiest spices of all time. It helps lower blood pressure and cholesterol and boosts insulin function and metabolism as well. Here's how you can prepare the honey and cinnamon water mix for weight loss. Boil a cup of water and add half a teaspoon of cinnamon to it. Allow it to boil to 5 minutes. Remove it from the flame and allow it to cool. Once the drink cools down to room temperature, add 1 teaspoon of honey to it. Stir the drink properly and drink it. To make the most of the benefits of this weight loss drink, you need to drink it at the right time. 1 cup of this weight loss drink before going to bed can prevent those late night hunger pangs. Drink this between the meals to curb your cravings for unhealthy junk foods. Honey and cinnamon water is a great pre-workout drink, can help you stay energized during your workout sessions and can allow you to burn more fat as well. 1 cup of this drink before and between your meals can save you from snacking after having your meals. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel if you want more recipes and tips.